Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show you how you can simply eat food in Genshin Impact. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Genshin Impact, you want to press escape, and then you're gonna have inventory here, right? And then you want to click here on food, and as you can see, so I have the sweet madame and Daiwad fried egg, and then he was like Sunsetia. I got no idea what is that, by the way. And you want to click here on use, and as you can see, I got full HP, but I can still use it. Confirm. Hey, already full. Continue to use. Confirm. And as you can see, it's going to restore me 300 HP. And this is how you can restore your food. Restore your health. Oh my god, I'm afraid that I'm going to lose my stamina. Yeah, I'm going to die. Yep. So, thank you very much. Have a great day.